Welcome to Easton Maryland at the Good Shore Truck Show. You want to see what's going on? I don't know, but stick around and find out. The show is definitely different. I mean, you got pretty trucks and pretty background, and then along with that, you got pretty girls. Not that dude in the front, but that girls that hiding. See, they got pretty girls up in here too, along with those pretty trucks. How you doing, Mom?
How are you?
I had to say Mom. So how you doing? How you like these?
Because I'm your mama.
I am your mama, that's right. Oh my God, just don't tell my other mama. But how do you like Easton? We are in Easton, Maryland. How do you like Easton,
Very
Maryland?
nice.
How do you like the
Beautiful
structure?
area.
From your point of view, what do you think about the structure?
It's a nice structure.
So what's nice about it?
There's a lot of different trucks that you see down here that you don't see up in our area.
What's beyond that? Beyond the trucks, what's so different about it?
There's a lot of race trucks that came in here.
No, what's this? This is what I'm talking about. We are in
Fall, and it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, and we're off the pavement for the first time. That's why I love this truck show. It's different. It's just like you're different.
Nice trees,
yes.
Shade.
Yes, beautiful trees.
But it is beautiful.
Beautiful foliage, beautiful. I mean,
no rain on the weekend.
Yes. Thank God, no rain, no winds. Just beautiful out here.
It is.
So far, you're enjoying yourself.
I am.
Drinking some Coca-Cola, zero alcohol.
Correct.
Awesome. Good to hear that. Wow. Listen.
And you've been very busy today?
I'm looking at my trailer right now, and it's unfortunate I can't even record anything because I got to get back and make some sales.
It's been busy.
Because this girl, apparently, she doesn't want to help me out. No, I can't blame her. She's helped me out, plenty of time this year, so you got to enjoy yourself. Walk around, do whatever.
Do you want me to go sit in your booth?
If you want to sit in my booth, you can sit in my booth, but then again, I don't think you want to sit in my booth. I think you just want to walk around, right?
It's gorgeous today.
It is gorgeous.
You want to be out here biking around.
Yeah, I know. Definitely, especially here. It's totally different. And as far as I see, I think they have record trucks.
Yes. They actually bumped the trophy ceremony from 1:30 to 2:15 because they haven't judged them all. There's so many trucks.
And it's the first time I think they're having the light show.
6:45.
Yeah, previous years it's basically 5:50, 5:30. Just this place is gone. Everybody goes home. I don't know. So it's successful so far.
Yeah.
Look at that, Kate. I mean, look. Isn't that beautiful?
It is. Look at all the leaves.
I know, it's amazing. Awesome. That's what makes this show different. Yeah, that's the truck I got while he was rolling in. Don't look too bad. Definitely a work truck. Looking at the frame. But this black one here in the back, looking spicy. But like I said, the major difference about this truck show and all the other ones that I have gone to so far this year is just this. I mean, it's totally different. So yeah, let me just drive around here, take a little tour of this. Yeah, look at that insane combo. Well, I wouldn't say combo, but a nice package on the back. Damn, these guys be looking mighty good. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice toolboxes all shined up, all polished. Again, like this guy, nice package.
Yeah, me and you gonna build something like that.
What's up, Dizzy D? Yeah, looking nice, looking different. And these guys definitely coming with a lot of dump trucks here. It seems like this is the Dum Truck Capital of Maryland. Nice. What's in there? Who's in there? Hey, Gidget, you're looking fine with the presentation.
What?
You're looking fine with the presentation.
Thank you. As always.
Let's roll up here in this main road. Just skip through it pretty fast. Let's see what they got, and if we find anything nice, like, you know, I mean, they're all nice, don't get me wrong, they're all pretty clean and all that stuff, but if we find something different, I'm going to stop in and get a little closer look. Yeah, but this place for the most part is totally different. Everything is like in kind of like stuck in the woods. This section is underneath, unfortunately, those wires, but it's still different, you know, different and pretty. And it is kind of chilly. It has, I think when I woke up it was somewhere around 40 degrees, but it's supposed to get into the 70s or 60s. What's going on there? Where's your truck? Say hello to my little friend.
Say hello to little friend.
Oh, these are nice whips. that's it for this side, but they got more trucks on the other side. I'm just gonna skim through it again, and then like I said, anything I'll get back. And oh, wait a second, this one's nice. Look at that, stretched out, beautiful colors. I've never seen this one before. Triple transfer. Yeah, that's totally looking nice. Yeah, guys out of Maryland. Yeah, I like them watermelons on the frame. Yeah, looking nice. Yeah, she's definitely pretty. I guess let me roll it up a little bit from this side too as well, so I can get a closer look. But I like they're very closely set up. Tumblers, everybody's selling tumblers nowadays.
Nice to meet you. Shawnee boy. And
What's up, Chief? Good, good. Alright. See, look what we found here. Videotaping. So coming to a YouTube video soon, I guess by Large Car Mag, is what you call it about? He calls it truck spotting. Damn, son. Woo. But anyway, thank you for joining me here in this beautiful forest. The trucks are starting to roll out and go home, and I'm about to roll out here pretty soon as well. Not yet though, I'm still holding up here. But it was a wonderful truck show here, totally different. Just out beautifully out here, just you can't beat that. I mean, I love trucks and nature, so thank you. Click the like button, subscribe, comment, dislike, do whatever you want to do. Just do something. Don't just watch and go home or stay home or go to sleep. Do something. And there's still racing going on, but I still got to work at the trailer. But anyways, again, thank you. God bless you. Stay positive. Be positive. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Welcome to fall.